Hello, guys. So right now, anyone can pretty much build a website. Yeah, because of AI, and I'm not saying I'm against it. No, I'm not. Anyone can use AI, but the problem now is, will those sites built with AI bring you leads for your business? Will they? I don't know. I'm not sure about that. So when building a website, there's something called search engine optimization, you know, and a website needs good SEO to reach more people. Like for Google to do its thing and push the website to more people, there's some things that must be done in the development stage. And most AI, most AI build sites using React, and there's a problem. There's a conflict between React and SEO. I think I'm going to show you that. Uh so like if you don't know enough coding, you won't know about the SEO part. Like there's a technical part of SEO that must be done during the development stage. If you don't do that, the site is fucked. So let me show you something. Okay, let me switch. So if you come here and search maybe wedding photographers in Diani, let me say Diani, Kenya. You see, if you search that one, you will find there's first businesses, Google businesses. Then there is this guy first. Then at number two, now this is my a website I built for a client, so Manuel weddings. So depending on how many clicks it gets when someone searches wedding photographers in Diani, Kenya, like the site gets ranked higher. So this is the site for the photographer. The name is Manuel Weddings. You can check it out. It's manuelweddings.com. Yeah. So this is the home page, the about page. This is the guy. You can book him, by the way. Yeah, that is the about page. Then we have the portfolio page with the photographies. Then there's links to somewhere he stores most of the images. So here you just put the samples. Yeah, something like that. Then videography. Then he has a YouTube channel. So he told me to set aside a page where he can be posting his YouTube stuff. So this one. Then there's packages page. So if you want to book him, it's not that expensive, just 80k, 140k, or 200k for your wedding. Then we have the blog. Now this is important for SEO, the blogs, because this one you can update regularly and they can be pushed to Google. Let's say, for example, you write an article about uh, best wedding photographers in Kenya right now, and you include a link to your website among them. Yeah, so these are the articles. This one I think I wrote myself. Then the contact page where you can contact him, book him. Yeah, so this is the site. I'm showcasing the site, but basically I wanted to talk about SEO. So the first search was wait, what the okay. So let's say, for example, best wedding photographer in Diani. Best wedding photographer. Let's say photographer. Yeah, let's start with photographer. If you search best wedding photographer in Diani, also he comes second. And by the way, there's also the AI part. By the way, AI is now a big thing. So when building your site, you have to build it in such a way that AI, it can also be recommended in AI searches. Let's say, for example, someone searches best wedding photographer in Diani. They will there will first be an AI like result, and in that AI result, you want your client's website to show there, and that is what we are seeing here, Manuel Weddings. So there's team, Tam photographer, Jefferson, and there is Manuel Wedding. So this is my client's website. This one. Yeah, what else? Okay. Yeah, Manuel Weddings. Yeah, he's second. This one. This is him. So you get ranked higher depending on the clicks, it's just like YouTube. Google will push your website to different people, then depending on how many people click your site more than the other sites in the result, your site will get ranked higher. So yeah, this site actually wasn't this high before. I think there's been more searches lately, and it is now up there with the top. Yeah, so that was best wedding photographer in Diani. You can also search best wedding photographers in Diani. Then you will see is still number 2. Yeah, and I can show you like Google Search Console for this site. Let me show you something here. So, no, not this one, but this account. Yeah, this one. Then you can go for performance. Then you'll see total clicks is 28 out of 198 impressions. Though I think like 10 of them will be just me trying to push it on my own. But these are the queries: wedding photographer blogs, Manuel, wedding photographer blog, wedding photographer articles, best location for photo shoot. Then pages, these ones, manuelweddings.com, manuelweddings.com portfolio, blah blah blah. Countries, we have all the clicks are from Kenya, which I think it's the way it should be because his business is based in Kenya. Then we have impressions in other countries, but no clicks. Then what else? We have devices. Which devices are people searching from? We have desktop and mobile. Search appearances, no data. Yeah. Then insights. You can see the insights here, like your content, top content here, then trending. Yeah, all this data. Then in links, you can see like the backlinks to your site, like external ones, and you can see internal ones. So here, the top linking site is GitHub. So let's say, for example, he posts the site to Facebook and he gets more traffic from Facebook, it will also be listed here. So I think as he continues writing blogs, he can share them to Facebook, and it get more traffic to the site. Yeah, and what else? So by the way, so I'm going to show you my site. So we can do business. You can check my works, then we can do business. I haven't done a lot of SEO to my own site because I'm still using the .vassal.app do you call it domain. So I'm planning to purchase a domain like this week, in the course of the week. Then I will make sure I do more SEO to the site. So this is my site. If you want to book, this is like my business site. So we have the homepage, services, about work. Come on, work. Yeah, so these are my works. We have a test realtors site. Like someone wanted me to show him I can build a real estate website, and this was my test sample. Like it was like my sample site. And by the all the sites, yeah, most of them, not all, I've built with Next.js for search engine optimization. So that one. Then we have this one I was building for a restaurant so that I can approach them and ask them if we can do business. But unfortunately, it didn't work out. But I think it was a good website for a restaurant. Of the menu and all that gallery. Yeah, it was a good website. I actually liked it, but they said they are not looking for a website right now. So it just remained dreams that didn't come true. Actually, it's also okay on mobile. Let me show you. Yeah, this is how it looks. Come on. In mobile, we have this one. The reserve on WhatsApp button. It works. Yeah, so this is one of the sites. What else? Wait, why is it not working anymore? Wait. This one is a photographer. I also built a website for him. So, but he also went missing after I showed him the website. So it has this beautiful effect. Okay. The journal, you can see the blogs. Shit. Something like this. Yeah, and many other websites. I don't want to go through all of them. There's this one also I'd like to show you. It looks good. It's for eyewear brand, so they're selling glasses and all that. So I created this website for them. They also didn't come through, but maybe in future. We have catalog. Yeah, it's like an e-commerce site / brand for an eyewear company. Yeah, so I think that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. Mostly it was about the SEO part. Then I just brought in the other parts to explain in details.